Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Beauty Glam Style by Pranali. Today we are diving into one of the most popular skincare trends, face sheet mask. Whether you have seen them on Instagram, at your nearby local drugstore, on various online websites like Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon, sheet masks are everywhere. But what is the best way to use sheet mask for glowing and hydrated skin? You need to apply it for 20 to 25 minutes for the best results. Before application, keep it in the refrigerator for 5 minutes for that extra glow. I am going to show you all different sheet masks according to your skin concern. Then let's get started. First one is the I am rice sheet mask for clear skin. Second one is the Pureness 100 red ginseng mask sheet for shining skin. Third one is Pureness 100 snail mask sheet for irritation care. Fourth one is Pureness 100 Collagen mask sheet for elasticity care. Fifth one is I am red wine mask sheet for pore care. Sixth one is Pureness 100 hyaluronic mask sheet for hydrating skin. Seventh one is the I am pomegranate mask sheet for elasticity. Pureness 100 green tea mask sheet for soothing care. Pureness 100 pearl mask sheet for brightening your skin. And the last one is I am avocado mask sheet for nutrition. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more skincare tips and reviews. Thanks for watching and remember, your skin deserves the best. See you next time. Bye bye.